Hi and welcome to this short video designed to show both existing Hermstedt StingRay users and those of you unfamiliar with this managed file transfer product just how simple it is to set up a customer entry in the centralized address book. This is key to the service setup, as without a personalized address book entry for each customer you cannot send or receive files between sites. So your StingRay is installed and configured on site. Now you want to start using it to send files to and receive files from your customers. The first thing you need to do is to record your customers' details in the address book and assign them a unique username and password which enables the user to access your secure file transfer server. This can be done using the StingRay client application. Once the StingRay client application is open, you will see that there are 4 drop-down menus in your toolbar. Simply select Windows and click on Address Book. You'll be presented with an address book window. The list running down the left-hand side of the window shows all of your existing address book entries. Running horizontally across the top of the window, you'll see a toolbar with a number of icons. The first icon allows you to delete the entry selected below. This one enables you to amend any details in an existing entry, and this one is used for creating new address book entries. As we want to add a new address book entry, this is the icon we need to select. A form will appear that, as you can see, is split up into 3 sections. One thing you need to consider before completing the form is, does the company you are adding into the address book need to be accessed by only you, or do any of the other StingRay users in your company need to send files to this site? If they do, ensure the global address box is ticked. If not, and you want to keep the address entry private, just make sure this box here is unchecked. The first section in this form is for your customer's company details. Most of the information you'll need to put in here is very straightforward. I'll just mention the mailbox drop-down. As you can see, this shows you a list of the mailboxes that are set up on your StingRay file transfer server. Just select the mailbox you want the customer's files to arrive in the incoming queue. You can then choose whether you want to receive a notification when a file is sent or received, and by which method, using the notification drop-down. The next section relates to the outgoing settings, or sending files to your customers. Here you will need to enter the IP address of your customer's FTP server if you intend on sending files via FTP. Their ISDN number if you're using ISDN, or their email address if you want to send them files using an email file transfer protocol. It is in this section that you must enter the username and password your customer has assigned to their communications server so that it accepts the job you are sending to them. Finally, if you intend on receiving files from your customers into the StingRay, you need to complete the last section of the form. All you need to do is assign a unique private username and password to your customer and provide them with these details. They can then use this information to access your StingRay externally via the web browser interface or an FTP client and send files into you. Once all of the relevant details have been filled in, click OK and the entry will be saved. And that's it. You're now ready to send files quickly, simply and securely using the Hermstedt StingRay managed file transfer server. If you go to the website and have a look around, you'll see there are plenty of other videos outlining features of the Hermstedt StingRay secure file transfer appliance. The website is at www.hermstedtstingray.com. If you've got any further questions or would like to have a full demonstration of the StingRay file transfer server, please don't hesitate to get in contact with Protocol. You'll see the telephone number on the screen now. We look forward to speaking to you. Thank you.